if you want to use present simple more and more, सबसे अच्छा तरीका है try to describe your daily routine. For instance, I get up early in the morning. Now here it's my habit, or it's a part of my daily routine. I get up early in the morning. ये मैं रोजाना करता हूं, तो मेरे डेली रूटीन का हिस्सा है. Now after getting up, what is my next action? After getting up, I always have a cup of tea so that I can become fresh. Again, after having a cup of tea, मेरा दूसरा एक्शन होता है go for a walk. Okay, so without fail, I go for a walk. Then once I come back from walk, what's my next activity? Then I take a bath. I take bath. After that, I read newspaper. Once that happens, then I sleep for some time. Okay, now these are certain things which I do on daily basis. Starting, I get up early in the morning. Now here, this is the verb, get up is the verb, which is always in the present form or the first form. Okay, similarly in the second sentence, I have a cup of tea. Again here, have is the verb, which is in the first form. Third one is I go for a walk. Go is the verb, which is in the first form. And then I take a bath. Take is the verb. And finally, in the last sentence, I sleep for some time. Sleep verb है. तो देखा आपने कि जितने भी सेंटेंस हमने बनाए डेली रूटीन के, उसमें वर्ब का पहला फॉर्म ही इस्तेमाल में आया है. ये बिल्कुल उसी तरह हुआ है जैसे कि हमारा ये स्ट्रक्चर था. सो इफ यू वांट टू प्रैक्टिस सेंटेंसेस ऑफ प्रेजेंट सिंपल, डेली रूटीन इज द बेस्ट थिंग. इसके अलावा इफ यू वांट टू डू मोर एंड मोर प्रैक्टिस, another thing which you can do is to describe the scene of a movie, because whenever we narrate a story of a movie to someone, we always use present simple. यानी कि उसमें सिर्फ present simple का इस्तेमाल होता है. Okay, so this is the daily routine of myself, which is one part of this list. मान लीजिए हमें किसी की हैबिट को बताना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन गेट्स एंग्री वेरी सून. ही इज वेरी शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड. तो मुझे अगर उसके हैबिट के बारे में बताना है तो मैं कुछ इस तरह से सेंटेंस बनाऊंगा. माई फ्रेंड गेट्स एंग्री very soon. So here you can see the verb get is accompanied by s. ये ऐसा इसलिए हुआ because in our structure we had seen that with certain subjects, he, she, it or other third parties, always the verb comes with s. Now let's see when it will come so that we have a clear idea. So if you can see here, third person, he, she, it, this, that, any name, it will always be followed by s or es or ies. So this is how we can make a sentence about someone else's activity.